In this video, I will show you how to delete site data and cookies in Chrome browser, whether you are using Android phone or iPhone. Open up your Chrome browser. Go ahead and click on your three dots from the top. Go ahead and click on Settings. Scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down and click on Site Settings. Then go ahead and click on All Sites. Then you have All Site Cookies right here. For anyone you want to delete right here, just go ahead and click on this trash bin icon. And this is going to pump up. What you need to do is to go ahead and click on Delete and Reset. So you can review and delete and reset as many as possible different site cookies. Go ahead and click on Delete and Reset, and you are done. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Chrome browser, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.